have one tusk that they use for feeding, the slave tusk, the one that they use for working mostly. And she's quite an old girl. I'm not too sure of her age. I'd say she's probably about in her 40s maybe. And she clearly uses her left tusk to break branches. She'll bend a branch over that tusk and then lift her head and snap the branch. And over the years, over the decades that she's been doing that, as you can see, all elephants really wear a groove in the tip of their tusks. And I've actually seen where that groove wears right through and actually the tip breaks off. But very typical method of feeding on this round-leaf teak is to break these saplings or these little branches and chew the bark off of it up until the first fork. This little one, as you can see, it's broken the tip or lost the tip of its trunk, but not really hindering it very much at all in terms of the way it's feeding. It's still able to break things, and there she's getting to that round-leaf teak. Chew the bark off the bottom of it, twist it around in her mouth. Now the more they feed like this with the round-leaf teak, the more the round-leaf teak actually manages to branches. So the next time they're going to come feeding in this area, and it could be a year that they get to this particular area, there'll be even more branches to feed on. Stand on that branch. Still managing, using all those muscles of the trunk, still managing to manipulate things with her trunk. Although she doesn't have the two little fingers on the tip, she's managing quite well. Use your tusk, Flo, break it with your tusk, like you normally have done in your past. I want to see how you do that. Too low perhaps. Not reading at all, only getting static. Not possibly getting that much nutrition out of those little... No, you're not on this one. Meticulously chewing the bark off of it. This piece of teak, pterocarpus.